Everyone, it's Keysha Godfrey, your favorite serial entrepreneur and multifaceted maven. I'm here with another episode of our Tip Tuesday series where we share quick tips to help you with elevating your business, saving time, and making more money. So today our tip involves scheduling Facebook posts. If you follow me for any period of time from either of the groups or anything that I've been an admin in, then you know that I'm a huge proponent of scheduling your social media posts, your emails, anything that you can schedule. I say go ahead and do it. So today we're going to show you very quickly how you can go about scheduling your posts throughout the week. I like to schedule as much as possible, even up through the entire month. So what I'll do is I'll set aside time 1 or 2 days for over the weekend and just schedule all of my posts during that time. And it's like that old, I like to compare it to this old like rotisserie video where the guy keeps saying like, set it and forget it. And that's pretty much how scheduling works. Like you can set your email schedule, you can set your Facebook schedule, you can use Hootsuite to schedule Instagram and Twitter and all that. And you just set it and forget it. So that's kind of what we're going to work on today for Facebook. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule next week's Tip Tuesday, and I will do that from my main Facebook page. And so what I did was I've already created the content. It's just going to be a graphic with Tip Tuesday, and then I will write the post. I don't want you guys to see the post right now, so I won't actually post that. But I did want to go ahead and show you how you can go about scheduling your tips or your posts. So first, what we're going to do is you have to log into your Facebook, of course, and then you want to actually navigate to your page. And then in order to schedule the post, you actually would just write it out like you would write any other post. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to post for Tip Tuesday. So I'll go ahead and drag and drop my graphic. And once that loads, then I will go ahead and type out the content, or usually what I will do is I will save it in a Word document. You can use Google Docs, which is very, very effective and efficient, and type out your content, copy and paste it, and then that's when you'll go about scheduling it. So when you want to schedule your post as opposed to publishing it live, you'll still use the publish navigation button, but you'll use this arrow. And I just want to make sure that I'm sharing my screen. So 1 second, because I want you all to be able to see what I'm doing. So give me 1 second to load that in so you can actually see it and walk through it with me. So here you see my actual Facebook page. It's my Keysha Godfrey page. So if you're not following, make sure you do that. And what you want to do is, like I said, you can drag and drop your content here. Facebook did perform an update, which makes it easier for you to share your content. And then when you're ready to publish, instead of publishing a live post, if you're going to schedule your post, which is what we're doing today, you want to use this drop down arrow next to the publish button, and then you'll just click schedule. And then for your publishing schedule, it really just depends on when you usually schedule, or if you're just trying to figure out what's the best time for your audience. I recommend taking maybe 2 weeks to do A/B testing so you can decide what's the best time to post, or if you want to post several times a day. And so in order to publish it, you just select a date and time in the future. It does have to be, I believe, up to 30 minutes into the future. So I'm just going to schedule it for next week. And then that's it. And then once you come back to your page, you'll be able to see all of the drafts that you have for your scheduled posts. And if by chance you do decide to change your mind about posting it during the time that it's scheduled, you can always go back and click See Post. And then it'll allow you to remove the schedule, and then you can just post it live. So you'll be able to click on the scheduled posts. And then once it loads, then you will have the option to just remove the schedule and post it live. So if you do change your mind and say, you know what, I don't want to post it on that date, I want to post it on a different date, then you can do that. So you see here where it says remove the schedule, and then it also says publish. So if you ever want to change the time or the date, or if you just want to go in and post it live before that date, maybe you're getting some good feedback on other content that's related to this post, then please feel free to go ahead and change that time. It doesn't have to be set in stone. So that's important to remember. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at info@rakishagodfrey.com. We are currently running a special for managing Facebook pages to set up and manage your page, which means that we will schedule out your posts for you. Our packages start at $49. For the rest of this month, our packages will start at $27. So again, I'm Keysha Godfrey. I'm your favorite serial entrepreneur, and this has been Tip Tuesday. Peace.